want to show you how to use a program called Portrait Professional. It's really awesome to use, especially when you're working with models and brides, because you can do some really easy retouch that in Photoshop would take a little bit longer. So y'all check this out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open Portrait Professional. We're going to open up a model that I shot, I think it was last year. Go ahead and open it, put that in Portrait Professional. Let me get the screen big. And while that's loading, it automatically, you can see how it has discovered she's a female and it's found her face. It's got the blue around everything, which is very cool. And this is before, this is the way it was shot, and this is the slight amount of work that it's already done in the computer. It already applies its own few programs, but if I want to do more, I'll go in and we'll just find the skin smoothing, excuse me. And we will go around, we'll come up here to the top. We'll go about 60 on the brush. We can take our brush now. We'll hold down the left button and we'll just drag this, and you will see how it makes the wrinkles. Not that she has any wrinkles really. She's 21, I think, but and you can see the work it's doing on the face. Just run it all over the face to get that nice glowing look. Just run it up. Make sure it'll also take out bags under the eyes. She don't have any, but if you did have bags under the eyes, it takes them right out. And also will take out a little bit of the shine from the flash. So that's how I'd go around and do the face editing part. But then from there, there's also more things you can do. Like I'll go to her eyes and we'll go down here to whitening, and I'll drag the slider over and wash the white in her eyes, how they get whiter. Now you can go too white, so I back it off a little bit, leave it about right there. Got another overall right here. You can sharpen, and we'll brighten her iris up a little bit. So watch her eyes right in here. You can see her eyes going really blue. We'll leave it right there. We can also change your hair color. We can do, about everything. Face sculpting will let you change the shape of the face. Now I wouldn't do that to hers, but sometimes you can do it. And it's all done by these little slider bars. It works really good. Let's see, you can also change your lighting. So you've got the picture right here of how the light would hit her. You can adjust that. You can see that coming up to her forehead, on down. See how light the bottom right of her face changed right there. And then you can also change this bar and go get some shadows on one side of the face. So even if you didn't shoot it lined up correctly, you can still correct it in this program. And you can also come down and do a little work and with the tools. Let's see, we can crop. If there was any noise in the picture, you can remove noise too, but we won't need to do that right now. You can also replace the sky. It's an amazing little program. Let's see if we want to kind of fade that in, kind of smear it all up, make it look good. You can change hair color on and on, but I think that looks pretty good on hers. I don't think I would do anything else. And if you need to come down a little bit more so that the neck and shoulders match the face, you can do that also. You can see just dragging the cursor around, and it's really easy. But this is very simple to do, and it would take a lot longer in Photoshop. So anyway, y'all let me know what you think about that. Please subscribe to our website, and y'all have a great day. Well, for some reason, I always say subscribe to our website. I don't know why I do that. I'm asking to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I just want to get that straight, and I apologize for how many times I say that wrong. Y'all have a great day, and please subscribe to our site on YouTube. Have a good day.